Okay, we're still looking for hardware for the gas tank. Meantime, I'm going to look at give a go at this regulator. So it appears it's got two different plugs. And let's see, we got a hose laying down there, but I don't see any wiring stuff, but I haven't got a clue what's under there. So I'm assuming there's two places to put two bolts that hopefully are in that bucket of crap right there. I'm going to guess it goes that way, not this way, just by looks. Don't know. And I got to put that crank sensor in there also, which is laying over there. So I got all these little things here I got to finish up on the motor. And then we can move on to the primary while he's looking for gas tank. So, yeah, no light in this place. There we go. Alright, oh good, there's two bolts right there. There's one. There's two. We got two plugs. We got one plug. That's a two-way plug. Should be another one laying around. Up here we go. There's a three-way plug. There we go. Look at all that junk. So I'll put a little CRC on there, which I just sent with my can. Okay, it looks like I might go to get it halfway decent. And then we gotta get a new oil filter. Oh, these go up here off of here. That's where these go. Okay, it's all kind of coming together, see.
Jason, you're a genius.
What, in the bucket? They're in your storage tray that I don't know you have?
Try it. Try one. Which
yeah,
side?
those are already right through. I already know they are. Are those the back two bolts or the front two?
There was only two in here.
What about this side? I'll just open up.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many more you want?
2 and 2.
They're your Torx thing. Those have Torx?
Yeah.
You also got hex. Okay, there you go. Missing hardware for gas tank. Nothing to it. Just look in the right spot, right? Okay, so you gotta slip these in there.
Yeah.
Somebody hid that. Who was that? Who was that masked man? Somebody's trying to make it difficult on us there for some reason. Did you piss off somebody?
Never.
No, it wasn't you. It was the other guy. Okay, here's quarter drive ratchet. Well, I think all four of these bolts are the same, weren't they? Probably.
Yeah.
A little bit. Fuck you, man. Mine's in. Where's yours? Now, do these hoses go underneath anything?
They go under that chrome thing you just showed me.
Okay, so this just sits flat on the frame here, then, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, when they're started, you're in charge of bolts. Tighten them down as much as you want. Okay, I got to plug it underneath the bike here. I get to go down deep. Deep down low. Go playing down in here. Okay, so we're going to put a little spray lube on this.
Where's the other screw?
In your hand, I guess. I don't know. I had two, you got two. I put my two in.
Right.
If you lose your hardware, I can't help you. Okay, clean off the sensor here, all the dirt and mungy. All that dirt and mungy came off. Sitting here, which is good. Pushes in. So you have to ask which one of your friends helped you in hiding those. Probably you. Forgot.
Yeah.
waste of a good half hour worth of video. We'll never get that back. What we got down here? These are Allen bolts or something. These appear to be hex head down here. Oh, these are nuts. 1/4 inch course nuts. Flange nuts. Okay, you got all 4 of yours tight?
Yeah.
All 4? You get the front one over here too?
Yes, sir.
Okay, they're all tight, not gonna fall off?
Your side was tight, right?
Nope, you're in charge of that.
Oh, okay.
I asked you if you were tight. You are in charge over there. I do not have any idea what you're doing. I was working on important stuff. And when we figure that out, we'll let you know. Oh, that nut's tight. Tighten that nut up down there. Can't even see that nut much, you have to get to it. Where's it at? It's over here in front. Oh, you got an oil cooler on this bike. No wonder I'm getting covered with oil. Okay, you got everything tight?
Yes, sir.
I need that ratchet. I don't want the socket, I want the ratchet. So when's the last time you cleaned your oil filter over here?
Ages.
Can't even get in here, there's a hose in the way. You got a hose right in the middle where I gotta go to get this off. There it is. Got it. Everything's in the way. It's gonna be fun to get that back on. Okay, I was correct on the installation. This goes on this side. Okay, we got a hose, we got this here, goes in here somehow. This goes into here. What if it matters how those hook in? Good, we come in that direction, figure it out. I don't think it matters how that goes, it's probably a 3-phase system. It makes no difference how it hooks in. If it did, one of the poles to be different. Easy enough. What's this for? Tinkerbell's in the way. Can't see a damn thing in there. I can't tell where I'm going. There's a nail over there. Anywhere near where I need to be.
Let me see.
Doesn't want to go in. Something's wrong how I'm doing it. Oh, there's a 180-degree difference. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking at now. Had to look at how the plug was made. Still
Go over
don't
to your right.
still don't have access to it.
Go over to your right. You're on the side of it. Let me help you out.
I have no idea where I'm at.
It's right there.
I know I'm on it, but I can't get to it. I can't see it. I can't see where it's at.
You go all the way to that corner right there. Yeah.
Even that, it's still not
Right
going. It ain't going.
It's right there.
There it goes. Wedge is in. There's a hole over there for this somewhere. Found it.
On it.
Where's this plug go? Here it goes on top. Should go on the other side, wouldn't it? Okay, where's this wire go? I'm trying to find it right here. Looks like it wraps around it. That's how it's supposed to be. Why would that wrap
you trying to do?
Unplug it.
What, this side or on by me?
On my side. There it goes. I got it. Just hold on. Okay. So I got to figure out how this thing wraps around circles because there's no way to do it the way I was doing it. Okay, where's this cable supposed to go? Behind it or in front? I guess it's supposed to go in front. Any idea where this is supposed to be?
Yeah, in the front. No, on the side, kind of. This one. Supposed to be free, actually.
Looks like it's been rubbing here, so it's been that way. This thing here, I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's all wrapped around the circle. Some light. Okay. Okay, now things kind of fitting like they're supposed to now. Kind of reaching a dark hole there, you can't see nothing. You gotta try to start a nut, but you can't see or feel. You can feel it kind of, your fingertips. Okay, you got that one in. Okay, the other one, somewhere over in here. Way the hell down there, that other dark hole. Get an oil filter in the way. I do things I can't even see what I'm doing. As long as there's feel in there, you can get to it. Okay. Now for the fun part. Let me get this damn socket in here. There it goes. Long-winded bolts. Studs. Studs. There we go. That's tight. Should be another one over here somewhere. Am I on it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I got a job for you to do.
Alright.
You gotta go like that and tighten it up.
There we go.
Tight?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you know where these oil lines go?
Which ones?
Which one goes where? This one has a clamp on the back, so like it would go over to the back one. This one acts like it's got one for the top up top, so go like that. Do you think they crossed over like that? Or do you think they just went on straight on like this? Because the clamps are interfering this way. See this way how they don't interfere with each other?
Yeah.
So I'm assuming this goes in the back one, but I have no idea. Like that. This one goes in the front one. Go on there now. So any idea how it's supposed to be?
Yep, that's how it's supposed to be.
Sure.
The genius figured it out.
Where's he at? Sure you know where he's at? See, the line has the clamps at the back, that one in the front. If you reverse them, they go right together, they don't work. We're assuming that's how that's supposed to go, but I haven't got a clue. So I think I'm going to put it on like that. I'm going to use these pliers here to squeeze the clamps. Like that. Get them out of the way. Take this one here, jam it on all the way. There we go. And you take the clamp, squeeze it. These are automotive style clamps, see? Put it there. Now this one here, they didn't take the clamp off, they just left it in the way, see? Slide that thing down a little bit like that. And take this thing and jam it on there. Yes, I'm not watching through the camera. I'm watching what the hell I'm doing. There it goes. Kind of. Okay, that one went on. Squeeze clamps. So you do that.
Yep, on there.
I think that's how they're supposed to go, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it to me.
You can't see anything at all, so you're good. Okay, so everything on the front's in except for the oil filter, I guess. This is where it belongs. It looks like it's been rubbing on the fender anyway. Alright, so you need an oil filter for this. You got one?
No.
Figures. Man, we gotta start doing the primer. Oh, look what I found. There's that missing washer.
From earlier?
How long's that been sitting there?
Let me see. Where's it at?
Well, the problem is putting it on the bike now. It's over here. Try where you left it. Anybody see it? Right there. See it?
Yeah.
Who left it down there a year ago? So that goes up there. You gotta pull out that thin one I put on there and put that thick one on there. Or you say to hell with it and leave it and just go put the thick one on my draw box of washers and we don't worry about it. That's up to you. That's a graded washer, so it's a good washer, but if you want to put it in there, you gotta get up in here with my box wrench.
It's cool.
So it's up to you. Okay, the shifter, we'll leave that off for now. Let's get the inner primer and all that stuff on there. Alright, be back in a few minutes. Gotta clean this mess up and get ready for the primary.